We have top number one and big number one. Big number one, Isabel Rivera. She loves watching Korean movies and her talent is acting. And top number one, England. His talent inspired dancing and his hobby is playing computer games. She loves playing volleyball and badminton, and her talent is to sing. Number two, Jonathan Flavio. He loves modeling and playing basketball, and his talent is dancing. Her hobbies are playing the guitar and her talent is drawing. Number three, Jason Sinfuego. His hobbies are reading books and articles, and his talent is swords. It's not me take you dancing like two humps, hump number 4 and hump number 5. Hump number 4 with the Australia. His hobby is going to the gym and play basketball, and his talent is dancing. And hump number 5, Raymond Amorin. His hobbies are cooking and modeling, and his talent is